Hey guys, Miss Steele here. So this is our fiction piece for the week. Um, Billy's camping trip, and the author is Hannah Code. Do we remember what an author does? They write the words, and the illustrator is Shira Fortino. I have no idea if that's how you say it. But what does the illustrator do? Do we remember that one? They are who draws the pictures. So, Billy's Camping Trip by Hannah Coe. Billy's family goes out for camping. When they arrive at the campground, they know they forgot to bring everything. And then words to know before we read that there's basement, branches, camping, cave, fire, garage, kitchen, and lake. And I feel like we know those. We are good. It is perfect weather for camping. Everyone, pack your bags, said Dad. Hurry up, shouted Dad. We are coming, said Billy. The family arrives at the nice campground. Let's build our tent for tonight, Billy. Did you see the tent bag? Asked Dad. I saw it in the basement. Did you bring the tent? Asked Billy. Let's cook some food for dinner, Billy. Did you see the food? Asked Dad. I saw it in the kitchen. Did you bring the food? Oh, excuse me. Did you bring the food? Asked Billy. Let's make a campfire for heat, Billy. Did you see the wood box? Asked Dad. I saw it in the garage. Did you bring the wood? Asked Billy. Oh, we forgot everything, said Dad. We cannot go back. What can we do? Asked Billy. There is a cave. We can stay in there, said Dad. There is a lake. We can go fishing, said Billy. There are dry branches on the ground. We can make a fire, said Dad. Wow, these are excellent ideas, said Dad. It is a survival camp, said Billy. So, that the book, I know, do we know where Billy's family's going? Yeah, they're going camping. And where did Billy see the tent bag? Do we remember where he said he saw it? In the basement. And where did Billy see the wood? Did he see it in the kitchen or the garage? The garage. So, things to think about. Have you ever gone camping? And what do you and your family do when you go camping? Or if you don't go camping, do you go to the park, play outside, play in your backyard? What do you guys do? And have you ever forgotten something? Our first baseball tournament of the week of this season, I forgot the sunscreen. That was not good. I didn't only the first day. I remembered the next. So that is our fiction book, Billy Goes Camping. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.